Where can I get this light? Where's the barrel? Oh, there's a barrel here. Hey guys, it's me Dom, and this is my Mecca skin. So before we get started, I do have dry skin as my skin type, therefore I have 5 steps to get it nourished and looking plump and hydrated. And yeah, let's get into it. This is the part that I'm dreading the most. I'm gonna take off my lashes. I look so naked right now, but we are gonna be going with our CAMELLIA oil from TATCHA. So I literally lather this all over my face because it's just so good with taking my makeup off. It doesn't strip the moisture in my skin and it's literally the bomb. It's amazing. So I'm gonna be using 3 pumps today because I have full coverage makeup on. And I'm just gonna be warming up the product in my hand because that really helps with like emulsifying all the makeup together and just melting it off basically. Okay, so the makeup is all melted off now. I'm gonna be washing my face with warm water. I'm just gonna be dousing myself in that. I just take a wet towel and just wipe the rest of my face with it. So this is me without makeup. I'm literally so exposed right now. So next up, I'm gonna be taking the rice polish from TATCHA. This is the gentle version. They have other ones for different skin types too. I'm gonna be taking a 50-cent size piece of that on my palm. That should be enough right there. And just putting some water in it. So I'm just gonna be rubbing this in, and this product literally polishes your skin as it says in the name and exfoliates the dead skin cells that we do not want. I wish I could do like a little moment where I do like ch. I'm gonna take a clean cloth and just wipe the rest of my face with it. My skin literally feels like a baby's butt. It's that soft. Like, y'all see this? After doing the rice polish, I take the C Firma Drunk Elephant Serum. I'm taking 3 pumps. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is literally my second bottle using this product, and what I noticed is it makes my skin tone more even. Now my skin feels super bouncy. Look at that. After that is all settled into my skin, I'm gonna be taking the LALA Retro Moisturizer from Drunk Elephant. I'm just gonna be taking 2 pumps of this and taking more later on if need be. And I dot this all over my face before I blend it out, just like with makeup, and then just swiping that in. This cream is literally so calming. It feels like I'm like sitting in a bubble bath and just enjoying life with a glass of champagne and some strawberries. And to help with the moisturizer setting into my skin, I just take a fan and just fan my face. And yeah, just make sure it's all in there. So I do notice a difference when I fan it in because like if I don't fan it in, it looks like it's just sitting on top of my skin. But right now it's like literally like my skin just like absorbed all of that, and that's what I like. The final step in my skincare routine is SPF. Super important to lather this on to protect my skin throughout the day. I'm gonna be taking a teaspoon-sized amount, just a cute little dollop. Oh, look how cute that is. As you can see, this sunscreen makes me look super glowy. It looks like I just added like highlighter all over my face, which is super cute for summer. Super radiant. We'll be fanning ourselves again. So that is it for my skincare routine, you guys. My skin literally feels so supple, glowy, and radiant. I am ready to tackle the day, so let's go.